Hello everyone. Welcome to Dr. Olubengadetun TV. In this on this Today I'm talking to you about beginner's guide to cryptocurrency, simplifying how newcomers can start investing. Cryptocurrency has taken the financial world by storm, offering innovative ways to invest, transact, and store value. For newcomers navigating this exciting but complex landscape, it can be daunting. This guide aims to simplify the process of starting your journey into cryptocurrency investments, covering everything from the basis of what cryptocurrencies are to practical steps for getting started. What then is cryptocurrency? At this point, cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of money that uses cryptography for security. Wow, what else is cryptography? I will not want to bore you with the meaning of cryptography, but I just want you to know that this basically is what cryptocurrency is. Cryptocurrency uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, also known as fiat, traditional currencies are referred to as fiat. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized and they operate on a technology called blockchain. This distributed ledger technology ensures that all transactions are transparent, secure, and they are also immutable. Some of the most popular cryptocurrencies are as follows. Number one is Bitcoin, also called BTC. This is the first and the most well-known cryptocurrency created in 2009. When it was created, it was virtually free. And in 2009, and today is 2024, how many years is that? Just about 15 years. And Bitcoin today is trading for more than 60,000 US dollars, whereas 15 years ago it was free. Another one is Ethereum, which is also referred shortened into ETH. Ethereum is a decentralized platform that enables smart contracts and decentralized applications to take place. Then the next one is Litecoin. What happens in the case of Litecoin is often referred to as the silver to Bitcoin's gold. Litecoin offers faster transaction times. Why do you need to invest in cryptocurrency? Investing in cryptocurrency can offer several benefits. Number one, high potential returns. Historically, cryptocurrencies have shown significant price appreciation. For example, Bitcoin's price surged from around $1,000 in early 2017 to over $6,000 in 2021. Now, the number two reason why you should take advantage of cryptocurrency is because of diversification. Cryptocurrencies provide an opportunity to diversify an investment portfolio which can reduce risk. Decentralization is number three. Many investors appreciate the idea of a decentralized system that is not controlled by any central body or authority. Now, how do you start investing in cryptocurrency? Number one is to educate yourself. That's why I've made this video. Instead of just giving you information about airdrop, buy this, do this, and you don't understand the principle behind it, you don't understand even what you're doing. You're just placing trades here and there. The moment one day that person that gave you instruction to do something miss it, then you also miss it. And that is what happens most times. So the number one way to start on cryptocurrency, number one, educate yourself. Before investing, take the time to understand the basics of cryptocurrency, read articles, watch videos like this one, and I have many videos on this channel, and join online forums to gather insights from other investors. Number two thing you need to do is to choose the right cryptocurrency. While Bitcoin and Ethereum are popular choices, numerous altcoins are available. Research various cryptocurrencies to understand their use cases, potential for growth, and market performance. Then number three thing you need to do to start is to select a cryptocurrency exchange. To buy cryptocurrencies, you need to use an exchange. Some popular exchanges include Coinbase, and another one is Binance. Another one is Kraken, and we also have Bybit and many more. Number four, you have to create an account. Sign up for an account on your choosing exchange. You typically need to provide personal information. If you're in Nigeria, P2P is not allowed on Binance, but you can open Binance account if you know you are not going to do P2P on Binance. But on Bybit and some others, P2P is allowed. So you make use of all those. You can make use of all those, and then you are going to be glad you know it. Then the next thing you need to do is to secure your investment. Consider using a secure wallet to store your cryptocurrencies. While exchanges offer wallets, They are vulnerable to hacking. Hardware wallets like Ledger and Trezor provide an extra layer of security. Many people also have turned into Tom wallet today so that they can keep the money safe. Then you need to start small. Begin by investing a small amount of money that you can afford to lose. Can you imagine? Yeah, because it can go up and it can also come down pool. So you put what you can afford to lose at the start until now when you can conveniently take the risk that is involved and you will have learned the rope, then you can put huge amount of money. Cryptocurrency markets can be volatile and it's essential to manage your risk. Now, when there's a news about US election which is coming up in November and many others, it's going to affect gold, it's going to affect the US dollar, and then it's going to affect how the crypto world goes because of this. And when there's war in major countries, it's also going to affect the crypto, and all these things are all linked together. The next thing you need to do if you're a starter is to monitor your investments. Keep track of market trends, news, and regulatory developments that, that may impact your investments. Websites like CoinMarketBase and CoinGecko provide valuable market data. There are many groups on Telegram also and on TikTok and on Instagram that or even on Facebook and on YouTube. This channel, you found this channel so you can follow this channel for update. Then you can consider dollar cost averaging. This strategy involves regularly buying a fixed dollar amount of cryptocurrency, regardless of its price. This approach can help reduce the impact of market volatility. Now, as a conclusion to this, because this is just another introduction, investing in cryptocurrency can be a rewarding venture, but it requires careful planning and education. By understanding the fundamentals and taking cautious steps, newcomers can position themselves for success in this dynamic market. Remember to stay informed, manage your risk, and only invest what you can afford to lose. I am going to see you in the next video. Please like this video, share the link of this video with your family and friends, and subscribe to this channel. If you have any question or comments, you can drop it in the comment section below. Until I come your way in the next one, this video popping up by the side from my own channel is the next you need to see now. See you in the next one. Bye bye.